Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. As you can see, I got a lot of beautiful hand crocheted pieces. These are all custom made by Patrizia. Thank you so much, Patrizia. I did a order for my kids on her on her channel, and she sent me this beautiful freebie package as well. That's what the first thing that I want to share with you. I'll put the link to Patricia's channel down below. If you're interested in any of these items, please feel free to contact her as well. But these goodies will be added to my kits in the upcoming months. And of course, I showed you in the other video a package of 4 items, hand crocheted items that she created. That will be part of my giveaway as well. So with no further ado, let me share with you this beautiful freebie that she added to my ordered, which is a beautiful framed image that she crocheted across. And let me take it out of the package to show you in detail. Like so. And this is the first one. So you can see the beautiful image. I just love the print that she used, the paper that she uses, as well as the quality of the yarn and the details of the gorgeous crochet pieces. These are just stunning. I just love this one. This is the first freebie, and she also creates like this memory dex card with a beautiful crocheted edge, and she does such a beautiful work on choosing the papers as well as the borders, and just beautiful quality. Thank you so much for those. So these are the freebies that she gifted me, and then I'll go to these two, which are the beautiful tassels. Beautiful, it's a bit a champagne color, beige, yes, and a beautiful cluster inside, a flatbed pearl inside. That's for the first one, and this is the second tassel. And so many layers and beautiful. I just love it. I just love the fluffy and the detailed work of her crochet. That's for those. Then I also ordered some flowers, butterflies, and some. So these are the butterflies. I'll take them like so. So these are the butterflies. As you can see, she has some beautiful tones. This is more the lighter pink, and this is the baby pink. So there's the pale pink and the baby pink. That's for those. She also included like these roses. And of course you can put in some centers here inside, as she did here on this. Such a beautiful work. And these two, again the pale pink and the pink, baby pink. So let me share that. So, and I also ordered a set of bows in the champagne color, also in the color pink, and these are just plain. So of course you can add on your own embellishment on top as you pop it up. Let me try to show you how it will look like so. We assemble it, and then just put on your beautiful embellishment on top. So that's for that. This has a sort of a pearlescent glaze in the paper. And these are also one of my favorites in her crochet collection. Such a beautiful, I just love the rolled edge of the petals. So super cute. And this one is perfect, these beautiful mini doilies. Perfect to add on, yeah, any kind of project as well. So that's for that. And these are so stunning as well. Such a beautiful detail. So beautiful. Yeah, don't need to add any more words. Just share them with you like so, and you will see all the beautiful layers. Yeah, as well as the handcraft that she has. The talent. I cannot create anything like this, so I'm very lucky that she can create these, and I can order them. And this is also very smart thinking. I just love that she added the flatbed pearls on the side and added the cluster of two colors in this package. So this is a very nice way to store as well the flowers themselves. So thank you so much for that. Then one of my favorites so far is the, as she calls it, as I recall, the cabbage flower. I hope it will focus. Yeah, that you can see the beautiful layers, layer upon layer of petals there. Such a beautiful collection, and this is how they look. So pretty. So stay tuned if you're interested in any of these beautiful crocheted items. They will be added to my kits in the upcoming months, weeks. So stay tuned for those if you are interested. And of course you can contact Patrizia as well. And yeah, she can help you out and create some items for you as well. So these are the same as you saw in the pink collection. Let me try. So the same order, but then in the beige champagne color, like so. So super cute. I just love this one again. Right. And then, oh, this is such a beautiful, I love this image, and then the frame. I really love this one as well. Such a beautiful element. I just hope you can see that. Yeah, like so. Such a beautiful item. She created again another frame with the flower kit and then an image. These and of course you can add on your own images if you can contact her and say if you want to have like a particular image, she can upload that as well and use this in the frame. So that's for that. And then last but not least, the hoops, the different sizes. This one is like 2 inches. This is like slightly, maybe 2, yeah, it can fit inside. Yeah, 2 and maybe 3/4. And this one is a larger size. So it depends on how you want to use it. Again, you can use this like so if you have some dimension on your project. And of course, just layer up your own bottom there and layer it all up. but you can also use it like this. And I just love that. Super beautiful elements. So these are the beautiful items that she crocheted for me. And I thank you so much again, Patrizia, for sending me these beautiful freebies as well. These two, thank you so much for those. And at last, I wanted to share with you these items that will be added to my giveaway. As I mentioned, this will be the original Tilda teacups. Let me, I always have a little bit trouble with this focusing. I have to take a look at that as well. Yeah, I hope you can see it like so. Maybe that's the best. This one. This one. This one as well. And this one. And of course I will take some detailed pictures so you can see them again in a photo throughout this video. So this will be as the giveaway part, and yeah, just stay tuned if you want to see more of these beautiful crochet pieces. Take a look at Patrizia's channel as well, and I hope you're all staying safe and feeling well and having a great crafty day. Talk to you all soon. Bye bye.